How to add frequently bought together on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Then go to online store. Here you can see edit theme. Click it here. After that, click on app embeds. Embed the app and then click on save. Go back to the app and then click on create offer. I am setting for product page. Click on select this placement type. Here you can see frequently bought together. Click it here. Here you can edit this text. This is only visible for you. Test offer. Here you can change the title frequently bought together. You can see you can add a badge like limited offer, or you can add button text as well. You can add a countdown timer as well. Then click on continue to offer. Here you can select for all products. If you want for specific products, click it here and then select the product. If you want products in a specific collection, click it here. Here you can select automated recommendations for related products. If you want for specific products, you can click it here and select the product from here. After that, continue to design. Here you can select the pre-made template. You can see here different pre-made templates. Customize it according to your requirements, the color, the background and the font. After that, click on placement. Here you can see publish. Click it here. Offer was successfully published in your store. Now it is showing frequently bought together. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.